Hello everyone, this is AI Chronology. In this video, I will walk you through some of the recent trending GitHub repos that are related to artificial intelligence, so you won't be bored by not having something to work on. Without further ado, let's get started. The first one, Stable Diffusion Web UI. Needless to say, Stable Diffusion has attracted a lot of interest over the past few days. It is such a powerful tooling that allows you to generate any images from just text. The paper was published this year at CVPR, but the code was released recently. Similar to Google's Imagine, this model used a frozen clip to condition images on text prompts. The company behind this work, Stability AI, released the models, but in order to run the program to generate any meaningful images, you have to first download the model and then run a set of scripts, which kind of adds the barrier for users to easily work with it. That's why we have this Stable Diffusion Web UI to fix this. This is a browser interface based on Gradle library for Stable Diffusion. The Gradle API from Hugging Face allows you to easily create apps based on machine learning models, which has greatly accelerated the process from AI research to product. It supports many features, such as original text to image, image to image, but also you can do the outpainting, inpainting, and some of the other features with the Stable Diffusion model. I won't be going over it one by one, but as you can see here, there are a lot of great features such as different video card support, hardware acceleration, and some of the other models beyond Stable Diffusion. Installation takes some time, but there is also a detailed guide which walks you through the steps one by one. Since I'm recording this video in a MacBook, I won't be running each and every step. But in the end, you will have something like this, where you can edit, insert a text, run generate, you wait for a few seconds, then you will get the image you want. You can also tune the different parameters such as the sampling step, the random seed, the batch size, and a lot of different stuffs. The second one, Stable Dream Fusion. Stable Dream Fusion is a tool that turns a set of text to 3D model. So this is a 3D version of Stable Diffusion. The paper is submitted to ICRR 2022 and still in review, but has already attracted a lot of attention from the community. Given a caption, Dream Fusion generates relatable 3D objects with high fidelity appearance, depth, and normals. Objects are represented as a NeRF, i.e. neural radiance field, and leverage a pre-trained text-to-image diffusion prior, such as ImageGen. Interestingly, this paper is from Google, and they claim that the model is based on ImageGen. But ironically, since this model is not publicly available yet, the author of this repo used Stable Diffusion to replace it. Due to this gap, there are a few technical challenges to overcome in order to bring this work to life. Kudos to the author. So how well does it work? Let's show a video. As we can see here, by running this program, we have a vivid pineapple that is originated from an image. We can also tune the different parameters and options, such as showing the depth, and have different kind of shading and rendering parameters. This is so amazing that opened up a lot of opportunities to apply these kind of stable diffusion models onto the 3D realm. So don't hesitate to try out this repository and also contribute to it. The third one, NeRF Studio. NeRF Studio provides a simple API that allows for a simplified end-to-end process of creating, training, and testing NeRFs. The library supports a more interpretable implementation of NeRFs by modularizing each component. It is able to create a more user-friendly experience in exploring the technology. It has a permissive Apache 2.0 license, so it's very useful to integrate it into your 3D vision project. By checking its contribution history, you can find that the original author of NeRF, Matthew Tansik, is also part of the contributor, which means this project has the blessing of the authors. It's such a great and amazing project with a bunch of supported features, such as a web-based visualizer and a few benchmarking scripts on the Blender dataset, and the amazing pipeline support with CodeMap. I haven't tried it out myself, but I can't wait to do so. Number 4. vTonify. vTonify is another implementation of a paper called Controllable High-Resolution Poetry Video Style Transfer. It allows you to transform a poetry video from a realistic style to cartoon style. It is based on a GAN model called StyleGAN, but it leverages the mid and high-resolution layers of StyleGAN to render high-quality cartoon-style portraits. So here's another example. You can not only transform the style, but also output the image in a very high resolution. You can also interactively adjust the different styles generated by the model, which gives you a tunable way to generate any content. I like that. Number 5. Python Robotics. Let's move away from the image domain to robotics. Python Robotics is a set of Python code for robotics algorithms. It features easy-to-read code for understanding different algorithms' basic idea, widely used and practical algorithms, and minimums dependencies. As the requirements shows, there's not much dependency, so it's easy for beginners to start with. The examples include extended Kalman filter localization, particle filter, and many more. So if you are a student learning this course, or you are curious about how different algorithms work, I'm sure that this repository is right for you. This wraps up today's video. If you like this video, or if you want me to review any of the exciting ongoing works, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Also, this channel is dedicated to bring the latest and greatest news and technologies to the audience. So if you like more of these contents, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more contents. See you next time.